beautiful carpet on special price, guys. Hi guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. This is Hero and I am selling the wedding stuff, guys. If it's your first time, please subscribe my YouTube channel. You will find this channel wedding stuff, blankets and stretch tent and tablecloth and anything on for wedding. So today we just available, guys. The carpet is amazing carpet, guys. We got more colors and we got also that things and we got a comforter. So today we'll just show you, I got 11 pieces and we'll show you the colors. The size is this carpet, guys, is 180 by 200. The size is a big carpet, guys. Is nice and is a beautiful colors available. Abdullah, can you just show you the colors? Now you can see, guys, one color that is change it, Abdullah, all colors. Two, this is a beautiful color. This is three, guys. It's more than amazing when it's open complete. Look it, guys. Yeah, you got this color is more than beautiful, guys. This color, gray and blue, and the red color, guys, you can see is more than beautiful. You got this color, this is more than amazing, guys. You can see we got this color. We got this color. This is the last color. So now we just show you, we got also available, guys, this one. I think if you like this one, guys, you can see is this one is coming. I got a queen size, is 5 pieces coming, guys. So if you like this one, the carpet, guys, the price is 269 on special or for my YouTube families, and this is will just give you to 320 on special price, guys. So we got brown color and we got that color, and guys we got this carpet also. Is a beautiful carpet, guys. Is amazing. We got more than beautiful color, guys. So this is the past carpet. A lot of people you buy this one and it's so cheaper, guys. We selling 200 rand, but we give just on my YouTube customer 180. And we got this is a small carpet, guys. You can see this one. This is cheaper, 130. I'll just show you one display here, so you can see, guys, this carpet. And we got this one. This is the brown color and this is the gray, guys. So I hope you'll be like this video, guys. If you like, please subscribe my YouTube channel for more videos, guys, and you'll find more than a special price, guys. Thank you so much, guys. We'll see you to next video on soon. Bye bye.